welcome back to the channel. As you can tell by the title and thumbnail, this is a very exciting video. I would like to introduce the new TDI store. If you've been watching along in the videos, you will know that already I've been working on a dedicated merchandise site purely for turbo diesel merchandise. This is something that I've always wanted to do and never had the chance to do until now, and it's all thanks to you people who are subscribing, following along on the TikTok and also engaging with all the videos. And here we are, I can officially say that we now have a TDI merchandise store. I'm very excited to say that the website is now live, so if you go to the link in the description or simply just go to tdisociety.com and you will see all the products that are now officially for sale. So far, some of you might have seen what we've already got, as well as some teasers of the new stuff that's just launched. We have the OG Smoky Bora sticker, we've got the premium no egg but some yolk Passat B5 sticker, and the reason it's premium is because it is actually holographic, which is pretty cool. And we also have a very first launch of a t-shirt which just has the TDI Society logo on the front and the no egg but some yolk Passat on the back. The t-shirts come in small, medium, large and extra large, and I just want to mention there is a very limited quantity of these, so if you do want one, try and grab one now. They're that limited that I don't even have one for myself. I do want to be very open about this TDI store and what my plans are and what I'm going to be doing, and I just want to be clear that any money made from the merchandise on the website is just getting put straight back into it for a more variety of accessories such as beanies and caps, because that has already been spoken about by some of the members. And like I've said, this is a limited drop and it also will allow me to buy more stock in the process if this is actually a success. The website itself takes many different types of payments. You can pay by card, you can pay by Apple Pay, or you can even choose PayPal. So there's a variety of selections, and I will be posting these myself. I've not set up anything like an automatic label printer or automatic shipping or anything. I will be hand wrapping these myself and personally sending them. And on the subject of that, it is completely free delivery in the UK or even Ireland. I will be covering that for myself because that is something that I need to further set up. So if it's something that you like on the website, it's free delivery. If you're a Facebook user as well, TDI Society is now an official Facebook page where I'll be putting all this sort of stuff and updates on the Facebook. I was using TikTok for that, but I would like to now make a more official page where I can say this is in stock, this is out of stock, this is being released, and maybe updates on videos and stuff that I'm doing on the YouTube. So that link will be in the description as well, and I just want to say before I end off this video that without you people subscribing, watching the videos, engaging, whether it's on YouTube or on TikTok, or even personal messaging me and just talking about problems that you've got with your own cars, what you're building, etc. Without you people, I wouldn't be at this stage. So I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone that is subscribed to the channel, and also any new subscribers. It is massively appreciated. We're that step closer to becoming a YouTube partner, which in the YouTube industry is huge, and I'm really looking forward to it because it just means more opportunities. So thank you so much for watching. Even if you don't want to buy anything, please just check out the website, let me know what you think. And if you have any ideas yourself on things that you would want, things that you would like to see, again, just comment down below and I'll get straight back to you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.